What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and in this video, we're taking a look at the LG PuriCare 360-degree Air Purifier Hit, a device designed to help you breathe easier and live healthier. The PuriCare 360 features a multi-membrane filtration system that effectively eliminates 99.9% of allergens, dust, and odor-causing components. The advanced system consists of a pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and a deodorizing filter, ensuring that the air you breathe is clean and fresh. The built-in ionizer technology is another great addition to this air purifier. It works by releasing negative ions that help reduce aerial bacteria like the dreaded COVID. This extra layer of protection can make a significant difference in your home's overall air quality. In addition to the PM1 sensor detection system, the LG PuriCare 360 Air Purifier Hit is equipped with a smart indicator. This feature provides real-time feedback of the current air quality in your room, so you can adjust the purifier settings as needed. Plus, the LED light at the top of the device changes colors based on the air quality levels, making it easy to monitor. The LG ThinQ app integration is another standout feature for this air purifier. With this app, you can check the air and odor quality of your room, activate the ionizer, adjust the air filtration speed, set a sleep timer, or even turn the purifier on or off remotely. All of this can be done from the convenience of your smartphone. Scheduling when the 360 air purifier turns on or off is very intuitive using the LG ThinQ app. This feature allows you to customize the purifier's operation to fit your lifestyle, ensuring you always come home to clean and fresh air. Replacing the filter is a simple task. Just open the purifier's case, swap out the old filter for a new one, and you're good to go. It's a straightforward process that anyone can handle, even those who aren't tech savvy. With a price tag of 11,990 pesos, the LG PuriCare 360-degree Air Purifier Hit is an investment in your health and well-being. It's now available nationwide, so be sure to check it out at LG's official Lazada and Shopee channels. So, what do you guys think of the LG PuriCare 360-degree Air Purifier Hit? Are you considering adding one to your home? Share your thoughts and any questions you might have in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.